crane manufacturers share the advantages and disadvantages of explosion-proof crane rope threading methods. In the structure of explosion-proof crane, it is not difficult to find that the steel wire rope plays a vital role in the lifting operation, and the steel wire rope is generally wrapped in the groove of the drum or pulley, which is used to work on the goods to be lifted. Although the winding method of wire rope is relatively simple, its importance is self-evident because sometimes it is necessary to convey the purpose of steering or labor saving through wire rope. So what are the winding methods of wire rope in our daily operation?
In order to meet the requirements during use, the steel wire rope and lifting block of explosion-proof crane are usually wrapped together. The common winding methods are mainly in the way of straight threading or flower threading. The former is simpler than the latter. It only needs one end of the steel wire rope to bypass each pulley of the lifting block one by one, but this method also has defects. When there are many pulleys of the lifting block, it is more prone to skew, therefore, the straight-through method is more suitable for lifting tackle with less than 4 pulleys. Although the operation process of the flower penetrating method is slightly complicated, the effect is very good, which effectively overcomes the problem of the deflection of the lifting block and greatly improves the stability and safety of the crane operation. Dejun makes cranes more efficient and safe.